Okay, so another way of making a pasta is by using a pizza roller. So if you don't have a pizza roller, I think you can use a bottle where you can just roll in here. Remember, I don't need to use another extra flour because my the dough is already good. So all I have to do is to roll this one until it will be good. But the difficulty of using a roller is that you need a lot of time. So I think I have to. Or if you don't have anything else, blah. So if you will make a mistake like that, all you have to do is to press on that and then voila. So using this one will take time than using this, right? So it will take time. If we're gonna use this pasta maker, it will be very easy for us. Look up here. Not too, or it's not too. Like that. So I think this is the okay, so this one, we're ready to cut them. We have the flour. Because we're going to cut them. So how are we going to cut that? So we're going to cut like that. Oh, I forgot. Okay. And then, ta-dang, this is our pasta. Pasta for using hand. This is using hand. So wow, so we can have, you could actually, what do you call this one? Um, Stretch a bit. You can stretch a bit, but it will take time for you to stretch that. You can stretch that. So this is an example of the pasta using hand. So you can stretch that. You can dry for, you can eat this, you can eat this tomorrow if you want, or the best thing is to eat this today. Okay, so this is by hand. This is by pasta maker. So this is the pasta maker, and this is by hand. All right, let's go to the next one. Again, I started using this one. So all you have to do is to press that like that. Press. Always press. And then roll. Roll as long as it is. You have to roll. Rolling, rolling in the river, rolling in the river. So that's how you're gonna do your pasta by hand. So this is an example of, so I will be rolling that one again, and then cut, and voila. And this is your pasta by hand. It's short because I made it short, but you can actually make longer if you want. So this is my linguine using hand. I did not press that properly. You see my linguine. Oh, that. Linguine by hand. So we've made two kinds of linguine, and that is using a pasta maker and then using by hand. And I hope you will learn how, I hope you learn something here how to make a pasta.